don't have to run. You're good. That's very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Will you do the pole again?
Mm-hmm.
Will you make him trot right along? Don't let him be a lazy bone. Don't rest your hand. Do a lead change today. Just got to trot and go on the wrong lead some more. Should have just kicked him and made him do the lead change. Come on now, get his gear going. Keep going, Mary Grace. Don't let him slow down there. That's good, huh, Janet?